Okay guys, today we are going to be doing a shell nail tutorial. So the products that we are going to be using are the color Pooled Together from Apre's Light and Shadow Summer Collection. We're going to be using the Blessed top coat from their Heavenly Top Coat collection. We're going to be using a natural almond medium ombre tip. And then I'm going to be using the Cocoist jelly top for the shell 3D effect, but for this, if you want to stick to Apres, you can use their extend gel as well. And then lastly, I just have some little pearls here that we'll use to embellish at the end. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to start off by painting the base of the nail upward. And then we're going to take our ombre brush and we're just going to feather that up to create a nice gradient. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and cure. Now that that is done curing, you can see we have a nice gradient. And if you want, you can always go in with a second layer of color if you do want it a little bit darker at the base. And so since I put that second layer on, I'll go ahead and cure that again. Now that our nail is fully cured, I'm going to go in with our Blessed Heavenly Top Coat. And this one has a nice pink hue to it. And so I will go ahead and cure that. Okay, now our top coat is fully cured. So now it's time to start our 3D design. So we're going to be using the Cocoist jelly top. And we're gonna come in with our liner brush. And I get a nice little bit of product on there. And drag it right down the middle of the nail. And then when we are working with 3D gel of really any sort, whenever you have it in a place that you like it, go ahead and flash cure that so that it's not moving around and dispersing as you keep working. So we're going to do 5 lines total. And then whenever doing one of these shell nails, you can always leave it with just one layer of 3G gel if you would like. Or if you would like it to be a little bit more 3D and to be able to see it a little bit more, you can always come in with another dollop right on top. So just right on top of the layer that you had before. We will do that for each one. And then once you're done with that, we are going to go in for a full cure. Okay guys, I have now fully cured. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, and you can use whichever product that you like to adhere gems with, completely up to you. But I'm going to place a few pearls. Okay, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure this. Okay, and there we have our completed shell nail. And you can always do this with different colors depending what color scheme you're wanting to go with. This is the color that we just did. And then this color is also from the Après Summer Light and Shadow collection called Daydreaming.